So this is where we're visiting our distributors, Douglas Stewart, for the education channel over here for G-Hold, and we'll be heading to Vegas next. But I thought it would be really important on this trip, because I'm not always very good at doing social media videos, so I thought it would be really nice on this trip seeing as we have the wonderful Sophie with us, if we manage to document some of the stuff that we get up to when we're overseas. So we have landed in Vegas. We landed last night and had the usual hassle with baggage having been put in the hold, etc. But we got to our hotel, the Flamingo Hotel, and then first thing this morning needed to be up at 6 in the morning in order to answer emails, etc., because the business still happens back in the UK and there's an 8-hour time difference. So any kind of major things need to be sorted out within the working day back home. One of the easiest ways to get around Vegas is on the monorail, taking Sophie on her first trip. It's really good it goes to the convention centre, so it's actually quite a convenient way to get around. We're at Coco's. The first time I came to Coco's was in 2011 when we were at Cater Source, the first ever trade show that we went to for the Safe Trade. So I absolutely love Coco's. The reason we came here or found it was because we spent about a day and a half trying to find our way out of the hotel where we were staying, because it's so hard to find directions in Vegas. So we were really hungry and tired by the time we got out, and so we were directed to a nice diner, and here it is, Coco's. I would always highly recommend starting the day off with a nice Coco's breakfast. I always have the same thing, Pacific Scramble, and it really sets me up, especially when we're about to do a busy trade show, and make sure we have plenty of green stuff, and it just feels a lot more real than a lot of the other places in Vegas. If you're wondering why we're wrapped up so incredibly warm with like scarves on and so on, it's because although it's 41-degree heat outside, it's absolutely freezing in any kind of trade show hall or in the hotel. So yeah, we're not just being completely weird with the temperature. I'm going to cover just some linguistic differences that you might not be aware of between the UK and the US. So it's easy to think that we all speak English, but there are certain things that I've been caught out with over the years. First thing is, how do you pay for things? You don't ask for a cash machine, you ask for an ATM. If you say cash machines, people won't understand what you're talking about. The other thing is that you'll be asked with your coffee whether you want half and half, or if you want cream. And when you ask for milk, they don't really understand what you're talking about. It's either half and half or it's cream. So that's another kind of just everyday thing that I find quite confusing when I first came. When you're talking about what floor you're on, if they say the lobby is on the first floor, they mean in British English, they mean ground floor. If you ask where the nearest toilet is, they'll probably understand what you're talking about, but they might look a little bit kind of weirded out, and that's because toilet means literally the thing that you sit on. So it would be like us saying, could you tell me where the nearest toilet bowl is, please? It's just a little bit weird. There's other language things that can sound a bit weird to us. So, for example, what we would call bum bags, which is not, again, the best word for a kind of a hip purse, but they would call that fanny pack, which is kind of weird for us. And for any Americans that are watching, if people look a little bit funny when you say at the end of a sentence, we would say a sentence and then we would say full